Figured I'd do a little vlog from the ranch, since we're gonna document the whole move, right? So, I'll give you guys a tour eventually here, but I figured I'd just show where I just got here. I already took the ladder down, but had a ladder set up right here. Blew all the gutters out. That was the first thing. Just drove 4 hours straight here after working. Did that on the other side too. Then we went around the whole banner of the house. Or the border, not the banner. Dodo. If I can figure out how to turn my light on here. Basically, and blew all the leaves around. And now that it's dark, I guess I'll show you guys this here. There's baby Daryl. It's our new house, guys. I'll give you the full walkthrough after I'm done mowing, but I want to get done mowing first. So I didn't get to vlog anything when I got here, so figure we vlog typically. Lucinda, Oregon Outcast. But this, yeah. Give you guys a full tour. This was like 6 inches deep in leaves when I got here. It's our new driveway. I blew all the gutters all the way down this side of the house, all along this side of this house. And now it's time to go see if these leaves will bag. Something's telling me they won't. But we gonna try it. Here's to new adventures. Just a night up the creek. This is gonna be life pretty quick. I guess we'll walk out to the shop real quick. I got it all lit up. Got the trailer out there unhooked. Brought a quad over today. Don't fix it up, sell them like the rest of them. I'll show you guys that tomorrow too. Here's our runners. This is what we run around the ranch with. And this will be the new small engine repair channel shop. Actually, this will probably be a little bit of it too. We got a whole bay in here too. I'll show you guys in here real quick. All Papa Marv stuff still in here for the most part. There's a door right back there. Scout! He gets tied up because he's already taken off up the mountain twice today, so don't think I'm segregating him. Mr. Little Daryl, my sidekick, he hangs out with me wherever I go. But Scout, he likes to take off fucking 90 miles away. Took him like 5 minutes to come back when I called him earlier. It was ridiculous. Barn's out there, guys. Oh, fuck it. We got a light on the phone. We'll get shade night. It's kind of creepy anyways. Halloween night. Scout, that's enough. Since we're on the Outcast channel, let's do a little bit of Outcast stuff instead of just farm stuff. This is where I've been storing all my stuff for now. This is going to be after the Crosley. This was too good a deal to pass up, and the guy needed it gone, so I had to get it gone. Bunch of car parts. Sorry guys, had to go deal with the dogs, get them all fed and all that. They're inside eating. Anyways, this is the ranch. This is just the back porch. Alright, let me get to mowing. Maybe I'll set up a tripod and get a couple angles of that or something, but maybe I'll get POV footage of it actually. A couple clips here and there. I'll do a little more in a little bit. Appreciate you guys watching along with us here. Morning. Vlog part 2. We didn't get to do tour last night because I mowed till 11. Then I edited episodes for Small Engine Repair Channel till I fell asleep. So we'll give you guys a tour today, but where we left off, we did some leaves. Still need to go over it again. The wind blew some more down last night, but I'm about to pick up all of these. Alright, y'all. Thank you for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for following along. We'll give you a little more tour, do a little more vlogging later, but I'm going to pick up some leaves. Peace. Alright guys, about halfway done with this side. Gotta do that side now. I'm gonna come back and go over that. I did all this last night, but it blew again last night. I want to go over it again, so. But I wanted this camera set up over there. We'll see how much is left on this, honestly, but thanks for watching. It's raining, so this is gonna be short. Got all four corners, the side, me, and that piece of PVC. That's what we be. What is up? Vlog time from inside the ranch house. So I've been saying we're gonna do this for the last couple times. We're gonna do it right now. So let's flip this thing. Ow! So this used to be 2 rooms. We burned all the wood on that wall. There's that sentimental wood. We can go over that a different time. And eventually we'll have one bed here, but right now this is just all temporary stuff. Closet. This used to be a closet in the back bedroom, so we made it all one big closet. And yeah, it's messy as shit right now, but we're just getting by. Get new windows and shit one day. Bathroom. That's where shit happens. This will be spare room 1. As you can see, I need to get that dehumidifier working in tonight. Spare room 2. That's where that closet used to be, but now that's just going to be drywall. This will be, I don't know what we're going to do yet. It's been talk of a craft room, but I'm trying to talk her into putting a craft room in the barn. Maybe make that a second room. So we're going to have lots of people staying over. Cool fun fact, guys, check this out. Dual ceiling fans, 1 remote. Mudroom or utility room, whatever you want to call it. And this is what's happening tonight. We're vlogging YouTube live right now. No, we're not live. We're not live.
We need to put the song on, then you can put it on your vlog.
Oh, I've already got recordings of it.
Oh yeah.
This is all freshly painted today by her.
Barn burnt down by
What's up for them with like couch it in the morning?
Yes! Couch it in the morning.
So that you don't like it. She's on her yet.
I might need the lyrics though. One of these times we're gonna be so old and so tall that we're not gonna be able to do this because our hair would be stuck in the fan. That'll be so sad.
Yeah.
And you guys have seen out here already. That's a tour of the house. So, we're moving the dining room table into the trailer out here. And it's going to a family friend that's been around forever. So, yeah. I'm going to take that to town tomorrow. On my way back over east, heading over east tomorrow. And came in last night, worked on an episode on Small Injury Repair channel and got it ready to drop for tomorrow. And did a bunch of chores around here today, so I want to do a quick little Hamland vlog for this weekend. That's about it. I'm just painting, getting living room prepped. I think the ladies will be doing floors, or putting floor down after I leave too, so that'll be kind of fun. Come back after Thanksgiving and see where the floors are at and stuff. So cattle panels are over there now. Sure, you guys will see that because I got footage of that when we make this first vlog that's going in it. Anywho, thanks for watching this journey with us, guys. Just painting inside the place here. Oh, mini heater Korg. Mini heater Korg. Maybe by the time this comes out, there'll be 2 Korgs and a Kelpie on YouTube too. There's Tammy and then there's Daryl. And then there's Cha-Cha. Then there's Cha-Cha and Daryl. Oh, you guys are something else. Hey, I know you guys are watching ranch content right now, but let's see here. That's a 49 Crosley pickup. And that's a 46 Willys Jeep that are both going to be on Outcast channel, which you're watching right now. All right, later.